All right, so my smoothie recipe is generally the same recipe every day. Banana, fresh strawberries, coconut milk, and then I do have frozen peaches that I put in sometimes, but these are the unsweetened peaches, and they're just the slick spring breakfast smoothies. And then of course I add ice. So I'm just gonna wash off some strawberries. And I'm making one for bag too, so I'm gonna have to make a little more than I normally would. So, cut the tops off. I hate these green, lazy little tops. I remember when I was younger, I hated strawberries and bananas. Now I can't eat a banana by itself. Like, bite this? No. I would probably die. So, and then I'm just gonna cut the strawberries like that because the blender is gonna do most of the work anyway. I think I'm gonna do two more. Some good size. Look how juicy it is. Right. Cut the tops off. Now, of course, y'all know I'm using my coconut milk, which I love. Now, coconut milk do not have a flavor. It do not taste like coconut. It's just coconut milk. It's slightly nutty, like a nutty flavor, and it's not sweet. Alright, so that's the strawberries. And then normally, if I'm making just one for myself, I do a half a banana. And sometimes I like to have like little banana chunks in mine. They just make it better. Alright, so I got the strawberries and bananas cut up. And then I'm just going to put them here. So I'm going to put the frozen peaches first. And I don't like a lot of frozen peaches. Because I really don't like processed foods out. I really don't buy stuff that's frozen or canned or anything like that. But I figured the peaches couldn't be that bad. So I'm going to add this in here. And then I'm going to add the coconut milk. I like to almost cover the fruit, and then we'll put some ice in it. So it's like that. So, and then I'm going to blend it up, and I'll show y'all what it looks like. All right, so now the smoothie is ready. It should be like a smooth consistency. Sometimes I add a lot of ice because I like it a little more icy, but this is the consistency of the smoothie. And I'm just gonna pour it in a glass. And it's the same glasses that I use when I make my coffee. So. And I like to fill my glass up to the brim. And there y'all have it. A strawberry banana smoothie with a hint of peach.